Hi YouTube, I'm Ryan and that's Cosmo. Say hi, Cosmo. And we are going to be having a burping contest with good old Dr. Pepper. Fuck yeah! Alright, just hold on 1 minute, alright? Alright, the rules are very simple. Whoever burps first wins. Or is that how it goes?
Biggest
and loudest burp wins, right?
Strong.
One thing about Dr. Pepper, people, you never really want to chug this fast because it can like really, you know. Hold on. Number one. Let's see if you can match that. Yeah, number two. Oh! Come on. Yeah! No one can match that.
Hold on. Gotta finish this whole bottle of it.
Number four. Come on, man, you can do it.
Takes a while for me.
All you gotta do is punch your stomach. Oh, I shouldn't have said that.
Oh,
Dr. Pepper. It's real good. You feel it?
got one coming.
Come on, hurry up. Oh. Number 5! Oh, what the? Woo! Number 1 for you. It's like number 7 for me.
It's gonna take a while. So I got one coming. Every time I drink Dr. Pepper, I got a big one.
So how's things been? Good? I think it's safe to say, people, that was the loudest and strongest burp here. So let's give a big hand to Cosmo. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.